Hey guys, Tina here with Tina's Inspired Art. Welcome to my channel again today. We're going to be working on a 12 by 24 inch canvas. I'm going to do a Botanical Dutch Pour today for you. And I'm going to be using Color Place brand House Interior paint. And it's a blue-gray color. I just did a pour with it earlier today, and I'm going to do a second one because I have the paint right here and it's all ready for me. So to begin our painting, I'll talk through my colors real quick. I have an iridescent white, a pewter gray, cobalt blue, a bronze, and a gold. So those are my colors. Definitely a different color palette, but I thought I'd try something a little bit, more calm and perhaps something that could go in someone's home that would kind of complement or bring in a pop of color, but yet complement what you already have. So we'll see if this works, and we'll see if these colors look really good together. Is the main thing I want to do. Depending on how it looks, and I want to make sure it doesn't look too dark. There's a chance I may add in a little bit of this green too, because I just want to keep it real botanical looking. Not that I have to have green in my botanicals, but I may incorporate the green in there because it may look really pretty. So let's get started. I'll flood the canvas with this House Interior paint. I'll just do this now. Design for today, and I think we're gonna go with the iridescent white first. I'm gonna make it plant-like again, just very botanical looking. Yeah, that's pretty striking like that. Pretty cool. I'm gonna throw in a little bit of this bronze. Some of that bronze. I don't know if this is going to work or not. Okay, we'll blow it out. We'll do my botanical technique to it, and we'll see how it looks, guys. Wish me luck. to say the colors look really good together. They kind of created almost a peachy color in there as well. I am going to put a focal point right in here with this one. Looks really, really pretty. I'm going to spin it around for you guys to look at right now, so you can see how that looks. Look at there, so pretty. I can see that blue popping through. It's almost like surfacing even more now. Really crazy how it does that. You give it a minute or two and then it's like, woo, it changes. It looks beautiful. Oh my goodness, I really like those colors together. Something completely new and different. I have never done those colors, that combination. I have no clue how I picked those. All right, we're going to have a little bit more fun now. We're going to do the botanical technique to this piece, and we'll see what it looks like. But, woo, it looks so pretty. I think I did a better job of putting the base down where it's not as thick as the last pour that I did, where I didn't put as much. So I definitely did a better job right off the bat doing it like that. Got my rag. I'm ready to go now. Move those out of the way. Wow, I'm so glad this one came out. It's gonna look pretty. I really like using the gray too. It makes the colors look different and in some respects pop a whole lot more too. So. Hopefully you can see it, but I'll take you down for a close-up when I'm finished. But I can probably do it this way a little bit. Sometimes looking at it upside down makes it look pretty cool too. Beautiful. Trying to see if I need to do anything more to it. It's pretty stunning like this. I love it. Down for a close-up. Hey guys, I'm back, and here are the wet results of this one we just finished together. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. We used a whole different color palette today on this with a beautiful blue-gray background. And honestly, I think she came out looking really pretty. Her design looks super cool looking. She does have that botanical technique. And she just flows kind of like very natural and organic looking. Very botanical. We'll see if I paint something on top of her. We'll wait till she dries, but I really think she's gorgeous. Look at those colors, are so different. Wow. She's going to shine too. Look at all the beautiful cells. Let me just zoom you in a little bit closer. So it's hard to see on camera how pretty. I think I'm going to change up that center. I'm not crazy about what's going on with the center. But everything else I'm really liking. Let me know what you guys think. Don't forget to see me on Facebook at Tina's Inspired Art and my Instagram. And my website is www.tinasinspiredart. I'm selling all of my paintings that I make. So please go go ahead and check them out. If you're looking for a special gift, let me know. See how I can help you. I want to make your wall smile. Until next time, guys, have a beautiful day. Bye for now.